Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't share contacts from iPhone in iOS 17. Sharing contacts in iOS 17 shouldn't be a problem, but I understand your frustration if it's not working. So let me show you that how you can fix it. So the first step would be restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches in your iPhone. For that, you can press the volume up and power button and you will see the slide to power off. Simply shut down your iPhone and just turn it on after a few seconds. So once you have done this, then move on to the next step. The next step is enable contact sharing. Open your phone app and then here you will see this contact and poster. Click on it and here you will see name and photo sharing. Make sure that you turn it on and click on share and select contact only, or you can select always ask. It will just give you the prompt before sharing. And if it's still not working, then move on to the next step. The next step is make sure that the both iPhone are running iOS 17. Sharing may not work if the devices are on a different software version. So make sure that if you are sharing with your friend phone is on iOS 17, and if it's not, then you can update by going to the settings, click on general, click on software update. If you see iOS 17 update, download and install that update in your iPhone. Then move on to the next step. The next step is turn off and on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. These connections are used for name drop and other sharing method. Go to settings, click on Wi-Fi, turn it off, then turn it on after a few seconds. Same for the Bluetooth to see if it start working. And if it's still not working, then the last step would be reset all setting in your iPhone. You won't lose any of your data. For that, go to settings, click on general, scroll down, click on transfer reset all setting, enter the passcode of your iPhone and you're done. And if you need any help, let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching.